Flipped off the boards by Gill. Trying to keep the puck in the offensive zone, unable to do so at the red line. Good stick there by Sled. Drake Sled down the far side, trying to feed it to Eccleston in front. Kills off that Cornwall power play, and we're back to even strength. 2-on-1 here. Sled trying to feed it across to Matthew Vora, unable to connect. Lowry with a chance. 25 seconds to go here in the first. Gill looking for Eccleston behind him, then Sled with ball. And a win for Brockville. Sled with the shot right off the draw. The bot. Scramble for it. Sled, the lone brave, around 3. Cornwall Colts right there. To Gill, that was deflected away. Gill behind the net, tied up by a couple of bodies in blue. Anson. Up to Sled. Sled. Back to Eccleston. Return to Brockville, looking for his second goal of the night. Eccleston, Sled over top of the cage. And that one is sent out by Gill. Sled forces a turnover, comes in, and the save by Rayom. Brockville gets it into the offensive zone now. Eccleston, the shot, score! And White, Ryan McNally. So Gill in there to help out as well. Rockwell off the stick of Adam, going to kill off this Brockville power play for the first time tonight. On Brockville's second look on the man advantage. So back to even strength here. There's a shot by Sled. Stopped by Rayom. Of the extracurriculars after the whistles, that's for sure. Drake Sled stripped of the puck right there. He's muscled off of it by Gauthier, then Gauthier gives Harry a shot. And Sled the other way, 1-on-1. Sled got around the defender right there. Sled, nice move around his man, and then fires that one. Here's Sled. Sled left side, shot right on the rebound. He